Well, good morning, happy new year to everybody. I'm starting with the patchwork challenge, but it's off to a rough start. As you can see, rain is pouring down again. It was just dry for half an hour and I thought I had to go outside to see if the whooper swan is still there. But now luckily I saw the whooper swan, although a bit far back. But it's raining again. Luckily I brought my umbrella, so let's hope it's getting dry pretty quick. I also encountered a Eurasian bullfinch on my way here, and that's also a good species to have already filmed. Now I'm heading to the rough-legged buzzard. Let's see if we can find that one. The rain got so bad that I decided to head home first to get some dry clothes, but not before trying to see if I can find the long-eared owl that is present here in the winter. The last couple of days couldn't find it, but now it's here, so that's a nice bird to add to the list on the 1st of January. It has now finally stopped raining, so I'm heading out for another stroll. The first target is to get the rough-legged buzzard and then to film as many species as I can. I'm now at 40 species seen and only 3 filmed, so I need to film some more. And I hope to end at least 50 species, so let's see if that will work out. Sadly, I couldn't find the rough-legged buzzard. I saw this buzzard, however, who resembles the rough-legged buzzard from the underside. But when you see the tail, you can clearly see that this is just a common buzzard. I also encountered this large group of northern lapwing with the occasional European golden plover mixed in between, which is a pretty scarce bird in my patch, so I was happy with that. When watching the northern lapwing, I got another rain shower over my head, so I went back home again. The sun came through for a little and then I saw this kestrel who had caught a mice, so I decided to film that for a minute. I'm calling it a day. Ended just shy of 50 species, but had a lot of fun on this first day despite the weather. If you don't want to miss any new episodes, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.